Hey YouTube, it's Nurse T and I am back with another video. In this video, I will be talking to you guys about the two most important things that you can do to stop the spread of germs and viruses. The first and foremost important thing that can be done to stop the spread of germs and viruses is washing your hands. Right now, we are faced with a serious virus called the coronavirus, also known as the COVID-19, that is just really bad right now. It just has the world in a really bad place, and we need to do everything in our power to stop the spread of that virus. For effective hand washing, the CDC recommends that you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds using warm water, soap, and friction. And to get a good idea of what 20 seconds is, I learned in school we would sing our ABCs, or we would sing the theme song to our favorite TV show, or just anything like that, or just plain out count to 20 to make sure that you have washed your hands for at least 20 seconds. After you have thoroughly washed your hands, you want to make sure when you go to rinse your hands that you rinse with your fingertips pointing down to the sink. Try not to touch the bottom of the sink. After that, you will dry your hands with clean paper towels. And then you will get a additional clean paper towel to turn the faucet off. In the event that you do not have access to warm soap and water, you can use a hand sanitizer, a alcohol-based hand sanitizer that is. In order for the hand sanitizer to be effective, it needs to have a alcohol concentration of at least 60%. And that is after it being mixed in whatever carrier that you choose. Now, this hand sanitizer that I'm going to make will have a concentration of 60.6% after it is mixed. You need the concentration to be at least 60% in order to kill the germs. Anything less than that will only slow the growth of germs. It will not kill it. I will be showing you guys how to make a similar hand sanitizer like this one that is in the form of a spray. And you can see that it has a concentration of 62%. The items that you will need to make the hand sanitizer, the most important ingredient is isopropyl alcohol. You will need the concentration to be at least 91% or greater, because you will be mixing it with other ingredients, so it's going to dilute the concentration down a bit. So in order for it to be effective, you need it to be at least 91%. The second ingredient is aloe vera gel. I keep this on hand. It's very good for dry skin and burns. I didn't have to go out and buy anything except for these bottles, the spray bottles. It's the 2 ounces, and that's the name of it. I purchased these from Michael's. I believe they were like $1.09 a piece. This is optional. Essential oils. These are the 2 that I'm going to choose, and it's just for scent. You're going to need a spatula, a whisk, a measuring cup with a spout to help you pour the solution into the bottles, and then 2 measuring cups, 2/3 and 1/3 cups. And this is very easy to make. You are just going to have 2/3 cup of alcohol. And then 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel. And you are just going to whisk it together. Completely done. I have them labeled. I made a plain, the tangerine, and the grapefruit. I'll try one of them out. And it actually feels just like this one, which has like a little gel-like consistency. It actually feels just like that. So that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please post them below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.